Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Ford's 1999 to 2016 F-Series Super Duty.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Unbolt the truck's cab from the rear cab mount and lift it to create clearance in the work area. Remove the fuel tank, fuel lines, and any brackets or lines near the repair location. Step 3. This frame section repairs the area that houses the rear cab mount and forward fuel tank crossmember. If replacing either component, remove them after clearing all fuel lines and removing the fuel tank. If keeping them, remove only the perforations on the frame section. Step 4. Grind the work area clear and apply weld-through primer. Slide the frame section into place using the frame holes for alignment and seat it tight against the frame rail. Step 5. Clamp the frame section in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame prior to welding all edges fully. Step 6. If removed, install a replacement rear cab mount and/or forward fuel tank crossmember. Weld the perforation lines closed without welding the mounting holes shut. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Once dry, reinstall the fuel tank, fuel lines, brackets, then lower and reinstall the cab. Now, get back out on the road.